Hi, my name is Joe DiBartolomeo. I'm an attorney out of Astoria, Oregon, and I want to talk to you a little bit about workers' compensation in Oregon. Workers' compensation in Oregon is a private system, and what that means is if you're injured on the job, you are applying with a private insurance company to see whether or not you're eligible for benefits, and that private insurance company will make the decision. Now, if the insurance company denies your claim and you disagree with the denial, that's when the government gets involved, because what you can do is request a hearing and the state of Oregon will assign an administrative law judge to hear evidence and decide whether that denial should be upheld. The other thing I think people overlook a lot of the time is what exactly are you getting with a workers' compensation claim? Well, a lot of that depends upon how badly you were injured and how much of a recovery you're going to be able to make. But common to every claim is what is called medical services. You'll get your medical bills paid. Then, if you are disabled from your job and there's documentation, you're entitled to a disability benefit, often called temporary total or temporary partial disability. I like to call it time loss. Finally, when you are finished with your care, if you have any permanent impairment or if you're not able to go back to the job that you held at the date you were injured, then you may be entitled to what's called permanent partial disability. And there's two kinds. There's work disability and there's whole person disability. Now, even if your claim is accepted, you may have a dispute with your carrier about the benefits that you're entitled to. And if you do, you can ask the government to get involved and mediate the dispute or make a decision. So in a nutshell, that's what workers' compensation involves. There are other benefits. There's vocational training if you qualify, and there's also the opportunity to reopen your claim later down the road if you feel like you need more medical care. So workers' comp is private insurance, limited benefits. Decisions are made by the private health or the private insurance company. If you have any questions about workers' compensation, feel free to look at our website. We have blog posts, we have articles and free reports that talk about the most common issues and also the most common mistakes you can avoid.